Kyoto, Japan, a city where every corner whispers a story from the past. Steeped in over 1,000 years of history, Kyoto invites you to step back in time while savoring the vibrancy of its present. Once the imperial capital, Kyoto remains a cultural jewel, a place where ancient traditions and modern living harmoniously coexist. Whether you're here for history, food, nature, or culture, Kyoto promises a journey you'll never forget. Let's start with Kyoto's most famous landmarks. Begin at Kiyomizu-dera, perched dramatically on the slopes of Mount Ottawa. Its massive wooden stage offers breathtaking views of the city, particularly magical during the cherry blossom and autumn foliage seasons. Nearby, the historic streets of Sannenzaka and Ninenzaka beckon with their stone-paved charm, lined with traditional tea houses and souvenir shops. From there, visit Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion. This Zen temple's gold leaf exterior glimmers in the sun, reflected beautifully in the surrounding pond. For a counterpoint, head to Ginkaku-ji, the Silver Pavilion. While not covered in silver, it exemplifies understated elegance with its meticulously raked sand gardens and lush moss landscapes. Kyoto's spiritual side shines at Fushimi Inari Shrine, famous for its thousands of vermilion torii gates winding up the mountain. It's one of the most photographed spots in Japan. But don't stop at the base. Venture further along the trails for quieter, more serene moments. For another iconic view, make your way to Arashiyama. The bamboo grove here is mesmerizing, its towering stalks creating a tunnel of green light. Nearby, you can explore the Iwatayama Monkey Park, where you'll share panoramic city views with friendly macaques. Kyoto also boasts a host of lesser-visited treasures. Toji Temple, with its 5-story pagoda, the tallest wooden structure in Japan, is a must-see. The temple's vibrant flea market on the 21st of each month is a great way to experience local life. Then there's Sanjusangendo Hall, home to 1,001 statues of Kannon, the goddess of mercy. This site is truly humbling and unforgettable. For garden lovers, the Katsura Imperial Villa offers a masterclass in Japanese landscaping. Its pathways and ponds are artfully arranged to create a sense of harmony and surprise at every turn. Alternatively, visit the Saiho-ji Moss Temple, where an advance reservation unlocks access to a magical moss-covered sanctuary. Nature lovers should hike Daimonji-yama, also known as Mount Nyoigatake. Its trails lead to panoramic views of Kyoto, and it's especially famous during the Daimonji Fire Festival in August. For a more leisurely escape, Kurama-dera, nestled in the lush forested hills of Mount Kurama, combines a serene temple experience with natural hot springs at nearby Kurama Onsen. Kyoto is more than its landmarks. It's also the cradle of Japanese traditional culture. In the Gion district, you can still glimpse geisha walking gracefully to their appointments. These skilled entertainers are the keepers of ancient performing arts, including traditional dance and music. Kyoto's festivals, like Gion Matsuri in July, showcase centuries-old rituals with grand floats, costumes, and lively parades. Dive deeper into Kyoto's craftsmanship in the Nishijin district, where you can watch artisans weaving intricate kimonos. Or participate in a tea ceremony at a traditional tea house, where every movement reflects centuries of Zen-inspired artistry. Kyoto is also a food lover's paradise. Start your culinary journey at Nishiki Market, where you can sample everything from fresh sushi to matcha-flavored treats. For a formal dining experience, try kaiseki, a multi-course meal that changes with the seasons, at establishments like Gion Kario. Tofu lovers should visit Nanzenji Junsei for Kyoto-style yudofu, a tofu hot pot dish that's simple yet exquisite. When it comes to accommodations, Kyoto offers options for every traveler. For luxury, The Ritz-Carlton Kyoto offers stunning river views and blends contemporary design with traditional Japanese elements. For a traditional experience, stay at a ryokan like Gion Hatanaka, where you'll sleep on futons and enjoy kaiseki meals. Budget travelers will love Peace Hostel Kyoto, which combines affordability with style and excellent amenities. Timing your visit is key to experiencing Kyoto's full beauty. Spring from late March to mid-April sees the city bloom with cherry blossoms, while fall from October to November transforms it with vibrant red and gold foliage. Summer is festival season, offering lively events despite the heat. And winter provides a quieter charm, with snow-dusted temples creating a serene atmosphere. Kyoto Station itself is a landmark worth exploring. Its futuristic design includes illuminated staircases and rooftop gardens with panoramic views. For a unique cultural stop, visit the Kyoto International Manga Museum, home to thousands of manga volumes and exhibitions on this beloved Japanese art form. Kyoto isn't just a city to visit. It's a city to feel, to taste, and to live in, even for just a short while. From its sacred temples to its vibrant neighborhoods, from its quiet gardens to its bustling markets, Kyoto offers an unparalleled depth of experience. So, when will you start your journey to this timeless treasure? Kyoto is waiting to enchant you.